Hey, RK Figs here. I just wanted to talk to you today about my lemon tree. I'm not sure what variety of lemon it is. Could be a Meyer lemon. I've actually had this for about maybe 4 years now. And I actually started out with a couple of them, and one of them didn't make it. These things do amazing outside during the warmer season, but the problems all start once you bring them in, and they become really susceptible to all kinds of spider mites and scale. I guess the scale would have had to attach itself to it while it was outside, but somehow they're kind of under control outside. But the minute you bring them in, they kind of go crazy on it. And this thing was infested for a while. And we basically had to go crazy treating it with neem oil. And I'm talking, we drenched it, like the leaves, the soil, everything. If you decide to care for it indoors, you'll need to use less water due to lack of sun. I like to check the moisture about an inch below the top and make sure it's moist. If it's dry, I add water until it comes out of the bottom. Of course, it needs to be beside your sunniest window, and that's not really enough. You probably need to add a grow light and possibly some humidity via a humidifier. I left this tree outside for quite a while in the fall, but then temperatures started getting close to freezing, so I brought it in, and when I did, I guess it reacted to the warm temperature, got confused, thought it was spring, and started flowering. Now, I've recently been talking to an expert in growing citrus in our cold climate, which for me is in zone 5. And he's actually in a colder climate, which I believe is in zone 4. And he told me instead of bringing it in and dealing with the hardship of indoor winter citrus, just put it in a dark, cold room in your basement and it will kind of stop growing. It won't actually drop its leaves and go dormant like a fig tree, but it won't be susceptible to all those diseases and pests associated with growing citrus indoors. Fruit flies, spider mites, leaf drop, and other annoying things. Look at the size of this lemon. These lemons taste amazing, the size is amazing, and they smell fantastic. Here is a new one that put out a flower and started growing midway through the season. It will be interesting to see how it does by the time summer rolls around. Here's the tree about 6 weeks after I put it in the cold room. It's in pretty good shape. I know some of these leaves kind of fell off, but that's probably from lack of sunlight when I brought it in before I put it in the cold room. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. $348. These ones are just coming off. They're long overdue. This one here is a little bit more on there, but I'm gonna get it off anyways because this tree has been inside. It's losing its leaves, and I'm going to put it in the cold room. If you're enjoying these videos, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't hesitate to leave me a comment if you have any questions or any suggestions. And thanks again for watching.